Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm SLB Manalo. Please watch this video. Hope you enjoy and don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you! Recipe natin for today is crispy corn dog.
Yeah.
Kailangan po natin ng hotdog, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, egg, breadcrumbs, milk, and cheese. I-mix po natin ang lahat ng dry ingredients. Kapag mixed well na ang dry ingredients, pwede nang i-add ang egg at evap milk. Mix well again hanggang sa wala nang matirang buo-buo ang iyong mixture. Transfer sa tall glass ang mixture. After i-dip sa mixture, balutin na ito ng breadcrumbs. Medyo bilisan lang natin ang kilos mga besh kasi madaling matanggal yung mixture. Pwede kayo magbawas ng milk para hindi sobrang labnaw ng ating mixture. Pagkatapos mabalutan lahat, ilagay muna ito sa freezer for at least 30 minutes. Then, magpakulo ng mantika to make sure na crispy yung ating corn dog. Ready to eat na ang ating corn dog. Perfect snack for everyone.